Welcome to the video. The gang is all here. Well, I've got a couple of jewelry snacks. The gold tone in a snack bag, $8. There's a bunch of necklaces, and then there's a couple of neat pendant with vintage pendants that need to go on a chain. And then this one as well, silver tone, $8. Snacking, jewelry snacks. We have some bracelets. Number 1, 2, with glass, 3, 4. I'm going to throw this one in and this one. Southwest, 5. This is some kind of a glass bead or a stone with copper tone, 6. Sparkly, 7. 8, 9, 10. $4. We'll see if we can make another one. We're going through this big box, and what we're having is trays like that we'll be selling. Here's what we're selling right now is the snacks. Jewelry snacks, and maybe a few odds and ends. This brooch is fabulous, $5. It's gorgeous. $5. It came out of there. We're having a great time. Let's see what we got here. 1, 2. Is that a... 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. This one has an A on it, and this right here talks about the class of 2014, I think. But it's really pretty. 8. Here's an inlay abalone. 9. And this blue glass or crystal, 10. $4. Okay. Guess what? You guessed it. We've been having nothing but a blast here. This one, I believe it's 14. It's 10 or 14K. White gold. There was no pendant on it. Thin. That's gold. This pendant is 10K, and the chain is gold filled. The light is just not, there we go, that's better. 10K is written in there somewhere, right up there. Just stunning. I don't know what these dark blues are. Is that, it's a darker blue than aquamarine, so I'm not sure. Look at this class. I thought the whole thing was gold, but this is gold filled. But the pendant is 10K. It is gorgeous. Unbelievable. Then we have, I don't know what this is carved out of, but it's on a gold filled necklace. So is it a bakelite? I just don't know. Gold filled necklace and gold filled cross. It says it right on that little round thing. I don't know if that's a diamond or not, actually. Maybe I'm gonna try to see. I forgot. Oh, this is I'm gonna throw this in that last bag. That's a bracelet. Then this one is gold filled as well. Really pretty. Anybody interested in this for $4? Nice brooch. Okay. Come on. There we go. We have diamond, y'all. Diamond Diva says we have a diamond. I didn't realize. Wow. Woohoo! Diamond Diva. I can't believe it's gold filled. Let me look. GF. Yep. Gold filled with a diamond. The gold is piling up, Billy Bob. Piling up. This thing has kept me company. I don't know, is that a cat in a little teacup? Okay. Hoping to get the other one of these. Look at that. I've never seen that. All right, I've got a question. Please leave a comment. Your heart is never alone. Any thoughts? It's a locket. $4 if you want it. Vintage locket. Has a butterfly on it. Love to hear your thoughts on that. Okay, this right here. This right here, I believe, this is not marked down here, but I'm pretty sure it's garnet with sterling and rhodium plated is what I think it is. Right from here up, it's marked all over the place, 925, 925, and I tried to find another one. It's not for sale, Ellen Tracy, but I only find very inexpensive ones for her. I don't find anything like this with all the garnet. I mean, look at it. That's just, the way that's set definitely has to be sterling. It looks like sterling. sterling all the way down, but I don't see a mark on any of these pieces. But that color is a garnet. I know garnets come in different colors. We have orangish red. It's unreal. It's my birthstone. And if it is garnet, it's the necklace to end all necklaces for garnet. Yeah. Okay. We're getting a pile of silver and other things. We'll do a few more. We'll do a few more from this. And then my bestie and I are going to go. She's going to unload a truck, almost, it's not a truck full, but a bunch of books. We're going to just put them in the recycle bin. $4. Beautiful earrings, Southwest style. I don't see a mark. Vintage, nice orangish reddish glass, vintage, $3. I love these boxes. Very nice, $4, very summery. You got your blingy starfish. Nice and long, seed beads and glass, very unique and shell, stone or ceramic, I'm not sure. There's a ceramic horse, $8. I think there's some stone maybe. It's hard to tell. It keeps going and going. There it is. Very nice. Very nice piece. Avon. Very nice piece. $4. Like inlay, and this is natural here that it's on. $4. Gorgeous, stretchy, so it'll fit you. It will fit. Nice gold tone with the little beads to give it some variety and accents. And this is a green dyed stone of some sort. $5. Now, you know how I'm always saying, and by the way, if you can think of a title, I need help with titles. I've gotten 2 good titles from viewers now. See, let's see, how does this go? Look at that. You don't see that anywhere. $5. $6. Beautiful statement necklace. It's all there. $3. Metal teal color that goes through there. Tassel. It can come off if you don't like it. Incredible glass or crystal. $7. Nice and long. Okay, I didn't look this one up. This is vintage, and it is, when you open it, it's hard to open. Okay. It is Este. So I'm going to ask 14. Smells real strong. But look at that. I have never seen that. Este, I guess Estee Lauder. Beautiful glass. Faceted. $4. And maybe, yeah, I think it's glass. Pretty colors. Good condition. George. $4. The plating is excellent. Silver tone. Chunky chain. $4. Tribal. On a cord. More tribal. These are all howlite. $6. This is how it fits. And if you can't handle metal, there's no metal here to touch your skin. That's really pretty. Chico's. $4. Oh, that's the back. $4 Chico's. This one I'll put in here. It was plastic and silver tone. Little fetishes. I don't know what they are. Cat-like, horse-like, almost has a, I don't know. It's a fantasy figure. Bird-like, but I don't know. $14, 1/4. Nice and long. They're all over it. $2. Kind of thin. A little bit bent. Nice design. $2, lightweight plastic, sparkly. A light green is plastic. $3, stretchy and red glass with silver tone spacer beads. This one, Sarah Cove, $5, roses. This one actually has a an extender, because these are small. $4. Rhinestones, purple, pink, flowers, well made. Here's another one, LC, in block letters. Glass and rhinestone with some blue and black. $4. Copper tone. toggle with a heart, and this is like a quartz, orange kind of quartz, and these are some kind of stone, orange stone, $10. Has little bees down here, and beautiful spacer with yellow crystals. $2. Little heart, sparkly. Don't know what this is. $2. $5. Vintage. Very cool. Well made. Oranges and a pinkish purple glass. More glass, nice and long. It does have a clasp with an extender. Kind of clear and bluish gray. $4. It may have a pearl or two. Yep. Silver tone, $3. Excellent condition. There's nothing wrong with that plating. Beautiful glass, $2. It's marked Stell, S-T-E-L-L. So it's signed by the artist. This is some Southwest, just a simple long with a black stone, $3. And then this hangs down. Plastic vintage with shell, $3. Pinks and pearl type, and then these two are the natural shell. A druzy ring. I don't know if it's made, I can't tell if it's, I think it's plastic, so $3. Almost down to a 9. Black and goldish, $3. Colorful glass, $4. Long, all kinds of colors. Maybe there's some stone. That looks like amethyst. Something fell. Black and silver tone, $3. Colorful with a gunmetal gray chain, $5. Excellent condition. Gold tone, $2. Thin flower. Excellent condition on the plating. Silver tone, rhinestones, $4. It has a really good extender. Excellent condition. Express, $2. Good condition, silver tone. It's a short necklace. This one, it just goes over your head, $2. Hearts and silver tone chain. I don't see a clasp. Now these are real pearls. There's one, and then there's one at the back. So $3. Let's say $2 for the pearls. $2. Magnet, very heavy and very powerful. Nice mesh, beautiful, $4. It's in excellent condition, and it reverses, I think. No, it doesn't. Seed bead, pinks and reds, $4. There's a sun, $1, very thin. Nice necklace that it's on. Blue hairpiece. Oh, we're missing one right there. Missing one, so $1 if you want it as is. Missing one right there. Suede, $2, and a small crystal, $2. I know I had to pull this out to use the box it was in, but red glass, has a clasp, pretty red glass, $5, in silver tone, nice and long. Fossil, and it's cord with little silver tone, $2. Casual. Last one, 3 layers of gold tone that go like that. Oh, it has some bling, I didn't even know. Has some bling. $4. All right, well, thank you so much. Wednesday night, so we'll be watching the Blacklist. I don't. She likes it. It's confusing. I don't even know that the writers know what they're writing, but anyway. Thank you to Terry for letting us know it's on tonight. God bless.